In this video, I will show you how you can connect a Bluetooth mouse and a keyboard with your iPad Air. Now before we start, just make sure that you have charged your Bluetooth mouse and your keyboard. Now once you have made sure that both of these devices are fully charged, now on your iPad just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just make sure that you have enabled the toggle for Bluetooth. After you enable Bluetooth on your iPad, now just grab one of your devices. For example, I'll grab the Bluetooth mouse. Now just make sure you turn on the Bluetooth mouse. Now after you turn on your Bluetooth mouse, under other devices you will find the name of your Bluetooth mouse. Now just tap on the name of your Bluetooth mouse to pair your mouse with your iPad. Now just select pair, and after you've done that, as you can see, we have successfully paired our Bluetooth mouse with our iPad. Now to pair our keyboard, just turn on your keyboard, and after you've turned on your keyboard, similarly you will find the signal of your Bluetooth keyboard under other devices. Just tap on the name of your Bluetooth keyboard. And as you can see, we have paired both of our devices with our iPad. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.